Hello, traders and astrology learners. Welcome back to our channel, okay, where we blend the technical analysis with the ancient wisdom of jyotish astrology to predict the trends in the financial markets. So today we are diving deep into the gold forecast for upcoming week, okay, using a unique combination of uh, technical plus astrological insight. Okay, so let's start this. So very first, we will do the assessment for the astrological point of view. Okay, so like for this method, I use the Prashna. Okay, so this is a purely a Prashna based approach. Prashna means the Horari astrology, correct? So we have a different methods in Prashna. Okay, so one of the method I'm using it, but in this video, I'm not going to cover the whole method and all these things because it requires uh, lot of technical understanding of astrological parameters is required. Okay, but this video is only for the predictions. Okay, for the gold for next week. Okay, so let's say this moon in Aquarius, Shatabhisha Nakshatra. Okay, so now as we know that moon governs the public sentiment. Okay, and its position in the futuristic nakshatra, that is Satabhisha Nakshatra, suggest a speculative trading and unexpected market moves this week. Okay, so this position is very important. Satabhisha Nakshatra, we also call it as a futuristic Nakshatra. Now, when I casted this Prashna, so the Hora Lord is Venus, okay, Shukra. Now, Venus rulership they support the precious metal like gold, okay, hinting at the potential gain midweek. So this is a good indication. Now the next important planet is Mars. Okay, now the Mars is in Pushya Nakshatra. So Mars, the retrograde position can bring volatility and possible dips early in the week, especially near significant technical support. Okay, there is another important yoga, we call it Vyatipaka yoga, and this yoga actually signals instability. Okay, now combined with the Mars influence, we may see a sharp correction before a potential rebound by this weekend. Okay, now in summary, we can say the astrological indicators suggest a choppy week for the gold with the potential of recovery and growth after midweek. Hmm. Now, based on this astro and by adding the some uh, technical part of the technical analysis, so we can make our predictions like this. Okay, from Monday, Tuesday, we can expect volatility with the possible dips near 2630, okay, $2,630, around something like this. Now, mid to late week, like Wednesday and Friday, Wednesday to Friday, uh, we can expect a favorable astrological transit and bullish technical points to a recovery. So you can watch for resistance near 2665 to 2680. Okay, 2665 to 2680 is our resistance. Okay, now trading tip. Okay, I'm providing you some levels for the strategic entries and exit. Okay, so buy zone, you can expect buy zone from 2630 to 2635. If price dips, then you can go for this buy zone. Okay, 2630 to 2635. Now sell zone is 2665 from 2665 to 2680. This is a sell zone. Okay, so you have to keep a close eye on midweek's planetary shift for the optimal trading decision. I will make a separate video on this if required. Now, to conclude all these things, you can follow these trading tips. Okay, again, I'm repeating buy zone is between 2630 to 2635. If prices dips, then or else you can go for a sell zone that is from 2665 to 2680. Okay, now that's it for the week's gold forecast. If you found this analysis valuable, don't forget to hit that like button. Okay, and subscribe for the weekly updates in which we are blending the astrological analysis with the market strategy. Okay, thank you.